This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment Canada has issued a possible tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Newell County number 4. Doppler is tracking a rotating severe thunderstorm just north of Bassano moving east at 25 km per hour. This dangerous storm is producing very large hail and may produce a tornado over the next 30 minutes. Communities in the path include Bassano, Rosemary, and Duchess. If you are in the affected area, be prepared to take shelter immediately in a basement or reinforced structure if a tornado develops. Get low and put as many walls between yourself and the storm as possible. Stay away from windows, doors and outside walls. If you are on the highway and cannot avoid the tornado, seek shelter in a ditch or ravine. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.